cars are my life. In my private life, I think about cars, I drive cars, I collect cars, I look at cars, I make photos of cars.
At the beginning, I wasn't really into racing. I understood that it was my career when there was 1 year that I stopped racing for school. After 1 year and a half, my dad put me back in a single-seater car. I think at that moment I understood that, you know what, I think I could give a shot on this. Speed is lap time. The clock is really our enemy.
Speed is also something not only about pure numbers. Speed has to be always an experience, and our ambition is always to build cars that allows our customers to experience the speed and not only the broad rides.
It's not just science. It's still something that we discover every time we go on a racetrack.
And emotions is something on top. For us, the performance is baseline to be credible, because if you want to build a sports car, the car has to deliver a certain level of performance.
Endurance racing, it's about the performance in the race. Our analysis after the race, it's basically what went good and what went wrong in the race. A best performance in endurance race doesn't necessarily mean to have the quickest car, but to have the quickest crew to cut the finish line.
In motorsport, you learn that you have to deliver the car to a certain time. The race is starting at a certain time, it's not waiting for you. This kind of team spirit, work together, let me say, have these emotions also if you have the victory.
My job was trying to deliver the message of what was the feeling of the car. Of course, we produce reports at the end of every session and test, but the human interaction, I think it's still very important in such a complex car development. We set the trends.
Speeds and performance are our DNA.